Excellent. Let's dive deep into artificial superintelligence, ASI. ASI represents the pinnacle of artificial intelligence, combining science and fiction. What is artificial superintelligence? An AI that surpasses human intelligence in every field. ASI is the only type of AI we have today, designed for specific tasks. AGI would understand and learn like a human, but we're not there yet. The difference between ASI and humans will be vast, akin to humans and ants. How could ASI emerge? Through recursive self-improvement. Achieve AGI and watch as it improves itself rapidly through feedback loops. The explosion could result in unimaginable levels of intelligence in mere days.